All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency. Things like mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card from BlockFi credit cards to get rewards back in Bitcoin, 6-in-1 miner, drip network, all kinds of good things. Well, we haven't done a drip network video, the faucet, in a while. I got some great updates, some great things that are going on. Where this whole video is going to be about drip. That's right. There's super awesome stuff going on. For all you sad people out there on drip, I was just as sad. I made a play. I'm going to show you my one account, and I'm going to show you my second account. I'm going to explain the whole thing to you. I'm going to talk about these scratchy tickets, the piggy bank, the animal farm, drip garden, this whole 9 yards. Frank's Crypto Corner hasn't brought you a video like this in a while, so I decided to bring it out to everybody today. All right. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and one day even own some cryptocurrency. All right. Oh, by the way, I'm not a financial planner. I do this for educational purposes only. If this is like a solo dolo kind of thing, if you're clicking and making money, that's on you. If you're clicking and losing money, that's on you. You know, make sure you do your own research. I mean, I do watch other YouTube videos of other people to learn different things. But at the end of the day, solo dolo, my friend. All right, let's head over to, could possibly be the king eventually. I mean, BNB Miner is the king of miners, that's for sure. Drip Network. All right, right here. How do you like seeing this? Drip Network, 35.76, up 11% for the week. I don't care that it's down 5% today. You know why? Because I just bought some more tokens. I actually got a discount today, but it's up 11% for the week. Let's go ahead and click this little bad boy. Drip Network at $11. I know that's a sad point for some people. Is it? We will see here. Let's look in the last 7 days. Look in the last 7 days what this thing has done. It came crashing down. Actually, we go down to a month. Look, it came down. It's been going down, and it bounced up, and then it was down, down, down. Again, if you're riding a sled in the wintertime and you're sled riding, this would be a perfect sled ride slope. But boom, drip is going back up. Let's look at the last 3 months. Last 3 months, look, it was up here at $55. Let's go back in the last year. Now, this is the part, look, it went all the way up, and then it came back down. Again, going down to this. This is where we're bouncing back up. So, the key things here. Twitter account. This is going to be an awesome video. Make sure you stay tuned to the end. First ever deflationary daily ROI platform, Drip Network. I know you all know this and stuff like that. But look at this, guys. The pig pen, 20 characters, many abilities, many items, XP points increase, character skills, daily raffles to win items, both passive, active strengths, strategies support our native asset. They're bringing the scratch-off tickets. You know, there's a lot of people that play scratch-off tickets and the pick 3 and the pick 4 every single day. What happens is you get in the drip and you just watch it. You just watch it and you just watch it and you're like, oh, what's going on with my drip? What's going on with my drip? Well, the thing is, these scratch tickets are going to basically bring a lot of money in. Anybody who plays the dogs, 20% of the actual entry goes back into the dog token, into the system of the dogs. If anybody buys a scratch off for the drip, right here, if you're buying the drip scratch-offs, 20% of that is actually going into the actual faucet. So what's going to happen here? Let's take a look at it. The future of Drip Network, what to expect in 2022. There are some exciting things happening in Drip coming up. This is a guide to the news and the rumors. All right, let me show you the big thing here before I even get into this. All right, so let's take a look at this. 777. So I have 73 deposits, 777. I've claimed 74 times. I got a max claim of 268, so I still got 200 claims left. I got into this drip account when the drip was actually at $84. So $84, what's the drip worth today? The drip is worth $10. So here's my example. Would you go and buy $84? Would you buy an $84 sweater for $10? You know you would. Would you buy your favorite? Would you go to the PF Chang's or the favorite restaurant and it was an $84 deal and get it for $10? That'd be a huge discount, right? Now this right here is technically my SAT account. I invested about $3,000 and basically, look, I claimed 74 times. I'm getting a little bit of money back, but my $3,000 account is only worth $777. Tick here, I'm going to write this down. I have 73 deposits. Okay, so this is my SAT account. So you know what I did? And I did cost average, but I went, look at here, I'm switching accounts. I went and created a second account. Now let's go back here and look. Again, the token's at $10 right now. The swap page, 777. Look, I got 750 in this. I don't have 73 deposits. I got 71. And I actually, now remember, there's a 10% tax. So I actually have on my stats, like, so with the 10%, I got like $880, $900 in this. But this is my happy account. So I cost averaged, everybody. I have 73 tokens, 73 deposits, 73 drips in my SAT account. You know, the one I put $3,000 in. Only invest what you're willing to lose. Only invest what you're willing to play for. I may have $3,000 in that account. Some people may have $30,000 in that account. Some people may have $100,000 in their main account. Some people may have $1,000 in their main account. I chose to put around $3,000 in. Well, I just cost average, but I did it in a second account. This is my happy account. I'm excited. I'm happy. This is my happy account because literally when the coin goes up to $30, now again, this is in my opinion, when the coin goes up to $30, my other account that I bought at $84, I'm still sad. But when the account goes up to, when the drip goes up to $30, I've 3x'd in this account. So maybe I can compound on my first account and I can claim my second. Okay, another way of looking at this. I put $3,000 in my first account. I got maybe $880, $900 in my second account. I'm going to get this to 73 deposits tomorrow, so I'm even Steven on it. So it's almost like I got $3,000 in my one account. I have a whole second account for $1,000. Okay, so if you have one account for $500, let's use $800 as an example because I bought it at $84 and now it's worth $10. Let's say you have an account worth $800, you can get the same second account for $100. So again, cost average is fantastic. I told one of my friends, I have my SAD account that I'm sad in blue and all the drippers that are all out there, they're all sad and everything. And I have my happy account. This is my happy account. Now let's look at this again. Over here, these tokens, what's it saying? There's so much news surrounding drip that it's hard to keep track of it all. I'm going to discuss the news and the rumors of the things to come. A key part of the drip ecosystem is the relaunch of the animal farm. It's coming, guys. It's going to bring new money in and continue to earn potential of the drip BUSD pairs and earn pigs. The simple stake potential here will remove some selling pressure. Drip is soon launching the scratchies, these scratch off NFTs. Okay, so they're going to have these scratchies. When you buy a drip scratchy, we don't know if they're $1, $10, $100. It doesn't matter. 20% of it is going to go back into the faucet. So if I bought a scratchy for $100, 20 of it goes back into the faucet. Think about this. How many times do you put in other than compound, but that money's already in the project? Other than compound, how many of you are putting new money into the drip? Probably not. Everybody has basically stopped. They're just sitting there and they're compounding or claiming, and they're not putting any new money in. These scratchies are going to get new money put into the project. Same thing with the dogs and the pigs here. When they buy this ticket, 20% is going to go back into the animal farm. New money. Think about the money on TV with the pick 3, the pick 5, the pick 7, the $1 million when it's everything. People go crazy for these things. What happens when you actually win on these things? Well, I also heard you're going to win on these, and you could, even your losing tickets, you can stake them. And when you stake your losing tickets, because they're NFTs, you're still making some type of money. I don't know the whole details, but this is freaking awesome. Okay, Drip will be soon launching the scratchy NFTs. Scratch-off games are usually popular, and the Drip Cycle version is the first of its kind. It will have many cool features designed. The price of Drip. Earning purchase will see a percentage will go into Drip. I heard 20%. Again, all my information is for educational purposes only, and they may change it, but I heard 20% will be sent to a, and then some money will be sent to a burn asset, removing it from circulation forever. Losing tickets are also stakeable with NFTs, and a percentage of the price will be used directly for reward stakers. So when you have a losing ticket, you can still stake it, and you can still make money off your losing tickets. When you go to the lottery store and you have lottery losses, you don't get to stake your lottery losses. I mean, Drip, I'm actually bullish again, everybody. I have a second account for a fraction that I put my first account in. So now, again, I bought it at $84. Now I bought it at $10 and $11. When the coin goes to $30, if it does, I 3x in my one account. I'm still not even where I need to be in another account. But can you see how I can cost average these accounts? And I started a second account. All right, let's see here. The new user interface UI is coming soon. This will be easier to use and an attractive refresh of the drip page. There's a YouTube video right here. A potential fiat on-ramp is being explored. This will be huge. Imagine if you can buy drip with USD and other local fiats without having to go to the CEX. Team competitions are coming. Airdrops is going to get easier and easier. Celebrity deals are coming. Imagine the exposure if drip is talked about with celebrities with millions of followers. I mean, I know these, this Ava Rice and all these different things. I mean, when drip, you notice when I said when drip gets everything moving, the animal farm, the drip garden, the piggy bank, the drip, all the scratchies. This could be the biggest platform on the internet. So don't bow out yet. You may want to cost average. I have a whole second account with the same, put 3,000 in my first account. I have like 880, 900 in my second account. They're pretty much 73 tokens to 71 tokens. They're pretty much kissing each other. They're so close. You can see that there's quite a lot of excitement things on the horizon for drip. After spending 6 weeks working on the Animal Farm relaunch, Forex, the developer, will now spend most of his energy on drip. I am so excited for the future of the platform, and remember this is still the beginning. Also, the 1% platform, drip is the only one that's made it a year. Okay, so I know I was upset. I know I was sad. I know I was blue. I know I was beaten up in my mind, Forex and stuff. But I came back and I decided to be a real investor. I watched some of these YouTubers and they said this. They said, if you bought drip when it was 80 bucks, if you bought drip when it was 100 bucks, and you bought drip when it was 130 bucks, why wouldn't you buy drip when it's 10? Why wouldn't you buy drip when it's 15? For all you that got drip when it was went all the way down to, you never can time the bottom, but for you that got it at $8, hey, fantastic. But think about that. Listen to what I'm saying. Again, all my information is for educational purposes only. But if you thought drip was a good investment when it was $50 and $80, why isn't it not a good investment at 11? I understand Bitcoin is down. Ethereum was at 4,000 at one time and it's like 1,600 right now. Do you still believe in Ethereum? Again, do your own homework. Scratchies are coming. The Animal Farm is going to be relaunching. The piggy bank is actually working. In fact, let's go over to the piggy bank real quick. All right, we're over here at the piggy bank. Now notice, the piggy bank is working. I actually, again, invest what you're willing to invest. I invested $1,500 in this account, $1,500 in this account. This one I did for a year staking. This one I did for 2 years staking. When this little bat, look at, I have $36. If I would have did a stake that I can claim right now, I'd be able to claim 36 and 42. Okay, watch. Let's show you how this is working. Let's compound this little bad boy. I'm going to compound them both for you. Here's the first one. Compounding it. Using my ledger. Get yourself a ledger, everybody. Boom. Click in the ledger. Boom. Over here to the left. Compound success. Now this is going to go away here. There's the $36 is going to go into the program. Here we go again. Walking down the avenue. All right. Let's go ahead and compound this, and I'll come right back to that other one here. We'll do them together. No sense wasting time here. I know these work. So let's go ahead. I'm using my ledger. Piggy bank is working. Remember, this wasn't working a few weeks ago. It's working now. Okay, look at that zero. My money went back in there. Got more. My little piggies got more truffles to eat and stuff. Now there's 42. Again, it takes a little bit of time. Now over here to the right, notice it says, in 23 hours and 59 minutes, I can do another compound. Now again, I'll actually refresh it just to do a little faster here. Come up here to the top. I don't know why I got to do this, but here, I connect my wallet. Let's connect, and you will see, look at, they both have done. So, piggy bank is working. Okay, what else? Drip garden. Let's take a look at drip here. All right, look at this. I got 1,900 plants. I have 131 right now. Basically, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to plant some seeds. I'll do this right on film. So all these are part of the drip, part of the ecosystem. Using my ledger, making it happen, boom. I think I put $1,800 into this one. I claimed like $700, $600 back. Here we go. This 131, where do you think it's going to go? Boom. 2,000. Okay, so my whole point here, this animal farm is going to be big. The drip garden is going to be big. The piggy bank is going to be big. Let's get back over here. Okay, so this is my sad account. And why do I say it's sad? Because I got 3,000 into it. But basically, I still got 73 deposits. I claimed it 74 times. Max deposits. I still have 200 claims. So now I'm actually hydrating more on this. And my one account, my happy account, connect my wallet to my happy account. Let's go over here, show you again, drips at $10. My happy account, and the other account, my sad account, I got 73. My happy account, I got 71. These claims, these are just from hydrating. Okay, I got 259 here too. So my point is, everybody, don't give up on drip right this second. I have 2 accounts. My second account is equal to my first account. 3,000 in my first one, about 880 in my second. If you put 30,000 in, whatever your numbers are, do your numbers. But with Scratchy's coming, with the new facelift coming, they're talking about celebrities coming. Just wanted to kind of bring you that from Frank's Crypto Corner. Drip Network is coming back. Scratchies are coming. The piggy bank is working. The Drip Garden is working. The Animal Farm is coming. Don't throw the towel in, because again, this could be the biggest platform on the internet. If you believe drip was good when it was $50, if you believe drip was good when it was $80 or $100, why wouldn't you go buy that steak dinner for $84 with a coupon for $14? Okay, so I put together a whole second account because literally this is freaking awesome. So all right, thanks for tuning in to Frank's Crypto Corner. Hit the like button in the bottom. Again, my information is for educational purposes only. Click right here for the best miner on the planet, BNB Miner, BNB Miner.finance. Go ahead and click this. You're going to learn about the best miner on the planet. Been around for over 444 days. And click over here for BUSD Crop Yield Farmers, another fantastic project. All right, everybody, Frank from Frank's Crypto Corner. We are actually bullish on Drip Network.